Choosing between CrowdStrike Falcon and Carbon Black is one of those decisions that can shape how your managed IT business delivers security. Both are strong endpoint detection and response platforms, but they shine in slightly different ways. Let's break down how they compare, what each does best, and which might be the smarter choice for managed IT shops. CrowdStrike Falcon is built around a lightweight agent and a cloud-native design. That means easy deployment, fast updates, and minimal system impact for your clients' devices. The dashboard is intuitive, and it gives you a clear view of every endpoint in real time. What stands out most is how automated the platform feels. Its threat intelligence and behavioral analytics run constantly, catching suspicious activity before it spreads. For managed IT teams juggling many clients, Falcon's single console makes multi-client oversight far simpler. It also scales really well, whether you are monitoring a few hundred or several thousand endpoints. Carbon Black, now part of VMware, takes a slightly different approach. It dives deeper into endpoint data, offering powerful live query features and detailed visibility into attack chains. This makes it a strong fit for IT shops that want to dig into threat hunting or incident response on a granular level. Its continuous data collection means you can replay what happened during an attack, which is great for forensic analysis. The trade-off is that setup and tuning can take more time, and the system can feel heavier to manage day to day compared to Falcon's streamlined model. To wrap it up, here is the quick summary. CrowdStrike Falcon is perfect for managed IT shops that need an efficient, scalable, and low-maintenance EDR solution that just works. It offers strong automation, clear reporting, and minimal overhead. Carbon Black is the better choice if you want deep control, custom investigation tools, and forensic-level insights, especially if you provide high-end security or incident response services. Both are excellent platforms, but for most managed IT providers, Falcon will likely deliver more value per hour of effort, while Carbon Black will appeal to those who want ultimate visibility and are ready to handle the complexity that comes with it. Either way, both solutions will give your clients the confidence that their endpoints are in good hands.